Riddle. My invention is credited to Felix Hoffmann in 1899. I am one of the most widely used analgesics by humans. I am a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agent. I am synthesized by the reaction between salicylic acid. Yes.
Aspirin.
That is correct. Our next riddle. I am an insulating layer made of protein and fatty substances. I occur in excess in parts of the brain and nervous system called... Yes, Takwa. That is correct. Repeat it into the... Put the microphone on and repeat. No. Yes.
Myelin sheet.
That is correct. That came on the second clue. They have 4 points. Okay, our next riddle. I am closely associated with a circle. You will find me inside a circle. My name suggests I am a part of the circle, but in reality I am not. I have an arc. I also have a chord. Strictly, I am a region inside a circle, bounded by an arc and a chord. Who? Yes, Sakwa. Go ahead.
Major sector.
No. Adventist.
Segment.
Yes, it's correct. That's a segment. That came on the last clue. They have 3 points. Our last riddle. I am a particle. I am employed in certain imaging procedures. I am emitted in certain radioactive decay processes. However, I am more frequently obtained by boiling than by radioactivity. My charge to mass ratio is about negative 1.76 times 10 to the power 11 coulomb per kilogram. I am sometimes depicted as a nebulous atomic envelope that quantifies the probability of finding me in some spatial... Yes, Adventist.
Electron.
That is correct.
I am a statistical diagram. I am associated with a line of fit. Yes, Prempe.
Scatter diagram.
That is correct. We continue. I am a physical phenomenon. I am commonly associated with waves. However, I have been demonstrated using various particles. I'm the phenomenon responsible for the transformation of the wavefront of a plane wave into, yes, Prempe.
Interference.
That is incorrect. For the transformation of the wavefront of a plane wave into a curved wavefront, yes, and Thomas Aquinas.
Diffraction.
That is correct. I am a term which was coined by Julian Huxley and Georges Tessier in 1936 when I was applied to the phenomenon of relative growth. My name was originally used to refer to the scaling relationship between the size of a body part and the size of the body as a whole, as both grow. Yes, and Thomas.
Allometry.
That is correct. 4 points. I am a common carbohydrate found in most plants. Yes, Oforipenin.
Cellulose.
That is incorrect. I am usually formed through a dehydration reaction. I am a disaccharide. Yes, and Thomas Aquinas.
Sucrose.
That is correct. We've come to the end of
process. My name comes from a Latin word, which literally means gluing to. My name is commonly used in blood grouping. Infantsipim.
Agglutination.
That's correct. Third clue, 3 points. Okay, so Infantsipim, please give me silence while I read my clues quietly, okay? After that, you can make all the noise you want, if you have to. Our next riddle. As a chemical, I am bad at breakups, so I am considered weak. You may think I'm a sour loser. Okay, Infantsipim answer.
Weak acid.
No. But you will be wrong. I tend to be better though. I'm just basic and that's my nature. Yes, Presby SHS.
Weak base.
That's correct. Last clue, 3 points. I am a particle. I can be stable with respect to decay into other particles. However, in the free state, I decay with a mean life of about 12 minutes. One of my decay products is the nucleus of a certain atom, which is distinguished by its simplicity. I am the particle discovered in 1932. Yes.
Neutron.
That is correct. Our last riddle. I am a two-digit number. I am an exact cube. That makes two of us. The sum of my digits is either 10 or very close to 10. Yes, Infantsipim. Yes, Ronald. Go ahead.
27.
That is correct. Our first riddle. You will find me in mechanics. I am a vector quantity. I am a product. My rate of change is the driver of linear motion. I am definitely not impulse. Yes, Presec Legon.
Momentum.
That is correct. That came on the 5th clue. They have 3 points. Our next riddle. I am a simple device. I am more frequently used as an instrument than as a machine. My claim to fame is reported to have been an observation in a cathedral. I am composed of a mass suspended from a pivot. Yes, Asanteman.
Pendulum.
That's not correct. I'll continue. I am composed of a mass suspended from a pivot by means of a light, inextensible string or rod. The other simple thing about me is the type of motion. Yes, Shama Senior High School.
The simple pendulum.
That is correct. That came on the last clue, 3 points. Our next riddle. I am light, but store so much power. I am a very reactive element, and hence often stored under oil. I was first used in the first ever synthetic nuclear reaction. Yes, Shama Senior High School.
Thorium.
Repeat that.
Thorium.
No. So I was used in the first ever synthetic nuclear reaction. However, I am better known for my extensive use in rechargeable batteries. I am, yes, Presec.
Cesium.
Repeat that.
Cesium.
No. Asanteman. I am the lightest metal on the periodic table. Who am I? Oh, okay, you now ring your bell, yes.
Lithium.
That is correct. Our last riddle. Our last riddle. I am an organ made of mesoderm cells. For many decades, I was often not considered an organ because of my thin and convoluted nature. Because I am formed during embryogenesis, I end up getting twisted and turned as the gut develops. I function as a complex organ which carries nutrients away from the intestine, while at the same time protecting it from infection. I surround all the organs. Presec.
Mesentery.
That is correct. That came on the last clue. They have 3 points. But contain no sugar. Indeed, I am a sugar substitute commonly used in foods and beverages. I am a low-calorie artificial sweetener. I am about 200 times sweeter than sucrose. I am a methyl ester of aspartic acid. Am I? Adisado.
Aspartic.
That's correct. That came on the last clue. They had 3 points. I am a physical quantity. I am not a conserved quantity. I am a type of energy. I am not gravitational. Neither am I electromagnetic, nor am I elastic. I equal the difference between the energy of an object as observed in a moving frame and the energy of the same object in its rest frame. Yes, Adisadel College. Adisadel.
Relativistic kinetic energy.
Repeat that.
Relativistic kinetic energy.
No. Corporeal sex.
Kinetic energy.
That's correct. I am a theory of biological evolution. I designate a distinctive form of evolutionary explanation for the history and diversity of life on Earth. Though I am usually used to refer strictly to biological evolution, Creationists have appropriated me to refer to the origin of life or to cosmic evolution that are distinct to biological evolution. While I have remained in use among the public, when referring to modern evolutionary theory, it has increasingly been argued by science writers that I am an inappropriate term for modern evolutionary theory. The theory states that all species of organisms arise and develop through the natural selection of
Darwin's theory of evolution.
And develop through the natural selection of small inherited variations that increase the individual's ability to compete, survive, and reproduce. I am the name given to the theory of evolution, which originates with the work of the Englishman Charles Robert Adisadel.
Theory of natural selection.
No. Charles Robert Darwin, particularly as expounded in his work on the origin of species in 1859. Who am I?
Darwin's theory.
No. And we may have to come back to this, but the answer I have here is Darwinism. Our last riddle. I am a 2-digit number. Forward or backward, the value is the same. Yes, Koforidia Sektek.
88.
No. Acherensia.
11.
Huh?
11.
No. Adisadel. The sum of my digits is the base of the decimal number system. The difference of my digits is the identity for addition. I am a product of 2 primes, which differ by a product of 2 successive primes. I am midway between 5 decades and 6 decades. Who am I? Yes, Adisadel College.
55.
That is correct. That brings us to the end of round 5. In this riddle, we have the Goal Riddle Bonanza. And here, Goal rewards a school that is able to solve 3 or 4 riddles correctly. If you solve 3 riddles correctly, you earn 1,200 cedis from Goal. And if you solve 4 riddles correctly, you earn 1,600 Ghana cedis. Okay? So all the best. As we go on to find who qualifies from this stage to the next, and also if anybody wins in the Goal Riddle Bonanza. Our first riddle. Here are the clues. I am a sexual process in which 2 lower organisms of the same species exchange nuclear material during a temporary union. Yes, Oda Senior High School.
Conjugation.
That is correct. That came on the first clue. They have 5 points. I am a phenomenon in physics. I may occur when 2 objects collide. An instance of me involving photons is called Rayleigh. I'll spell that because I'm not. Rayleigh. Yes.
Rayleigh criterion.
No. Okay. I'll continue with that. I am characterized by conservation of a scalar dynamic quantity. I am the type of collision in which the magnitude of the coefficient of restitution is unity. St. Francis Xavier.
Elastic collision.
That's correct. That came on the last clue. They have 3 points. I am an element found in group 16 of the periodic table. I was discovered by Marie and Pierre Curie. Oda Senior High School.
Polonium.
That is correct. That came on the second clue. They have 4 points. Our last riddle. I am a 3-digit palindromic number. Forward or backward, the value is the same. My first digit is a square. My other digit is a cube. I am an exact square. Oda Senior High School.
343.
No. Who rang the bell next? Okay, St. Francis Xavier. Oh, sorry. Who rang the bell next? Okay, St. Francis Xavier.
848.
No. Apam. Yes. Oh, you haven't rang your bell? Oh, okay. But your hand is up. Faustina. Yes. Okay. Yes, go ahead. Yes, Faustina.
484.
That's correct. That came on the 5th clue, so they have 3 points, and that ends round 5. My digits are an identity and 2 squares. The sum of my digits.
441.
Yes, Osei Tutu Senior High School.
441.
That's correct. That came on the 4th clue. They have 3 points. 600 CDs from Guel. So let's go. Our first riddle. I am a common infection that can affect both humans and animals. I initially appear as discolored, often scaly patches on affected areas. These patches typically appear red on lighter skin or brown-gray on darker skin. My name is a misnomer. Yes, Osei Tutu Senior High School.
Enzma.
No. My name is a misnomer since a fungus, not a worm, causes the infection. The lesion caused by me. Yes, Chemu Senior High School.
Ringworm.
Yes, it's a ringworm. That answer came on the last clue. They have 3 points. I am a law. I am a conservation law. There are no known violations of me. I am applicable to all types of systems, including mechanical, electrical, and thermal systems. Yes, Twase. Yes, yes, Enoch.
Law of conservation of energy.
That is correct. That came on the 4th clue. They have 3 points. I am one of the most common chemicals used in flavors and fragrances. I am a compound with a fruity odor. I am an ester. Yes, Twase. Yes.
Ethanoate.
No. I am an ester found in many fruits, including bananas, oranges, and mangoes. My molecular formula is C6H12O2. In the laboratory, I can be synthesized by the reaction between butanoic acid and Chemu Senior High School. Yes. Go ahead.
We have methyl butanoate.
Repeat that.
Methyl butanoate.
No. So this is for Osei Tutu's benefit. I can be synthesized by the reaction between butanoic acid and ethanol. Osei Tutu.
Ethyl butanoate.
That is correct. 5th clue, 3 points. Our last riddle. I am a 3-digit number. I am an exact square. When my digits are reversed, the number formed is also an exact square. My digits. Yes, Twase.
We have 256.
No. Chemu Senior High School.
144.
No. Or say to 2. When my digits are reversed, the number formed is also an exact square. I've read that. My digits are an identity, n2 squares. The sum of my digits.
441.
Yes, or say to 2 senior high school.
441.
Says correctly, you win 1,600 cedis from Girl. Our first riddle. I am a quadrilateral. My opposite sides are parallel and congruent. I have 2 axes of symmetry. I fit my outline in 4 positions. Canton Senior High School.
Square.
No. Ameniampon Senior High School.
Rectangle.
No. For the benefit of Asin State, I have a center of symmetry and a fixed center of rotation. My diagonals are not congruent. Who am I? Asin State College.
Parallelogram.
No. It's a rhombus. Rhombus. In the mammalian brain, we consist of communicating network of cavities. We are filled with cerebrospinal fluid. We are located within the brain parenchyma. In a 4-chambered heart, such as that in humans, we operate in the double circulatory system. In humans, we are the 2 lower Canton Senior High School.
Hypothalamus.
The
Hypothalamus.
No. Anybody? Nobody has rung the bell? In humans, we are the 2 lower chambers of the heart. Asin State College.
We have the ventricles.
That's correct. That came on the last clue. They have 3 points. I am a dynamical quantity. I am a vector quantity. My square magnitude is proportional to the leading term in the power series for kinetic energy. Yes, Ameniampon.
Velocity.
No. Asin State College. My name has come to be associated with swiftness in idiomatic usage. My rate of change is explicitly defined in one of Newton's laws of motion. I am Canton Senior High School.
Momentum.
No. Asin State College.
Linear momentum.
That is correct. That came on the last clue. They have 3 points. Our last riddle. I am mainly formed. Every word I mention here is important. Please let's have some silence. I am mainly formed by alkali and alkaline earth metals. I am a chemical species. I am the foundation for your building. This is the 3rd clue. If I am the foundation for your building, then you are safe. Bronsted and Lowry describe Canton SHS.
Salt.
No. I'll continue. Bronsted and Lowry describe me as a substance that accepts high Asin State.
A base.
No. Ameniampon.
Bronsted-Lowry base.
No. Please let me finish. let me finish. Bronsted and Lowry described me as a substance that accepts hydrogen ions. In an aqueous solution, I undergo complete dissociation. Who am I? Yes, strong base. That brings us to the end of round 5.